Hi, I'm Beth with the University of Florida Escambia County Extension, and we are really enjoying this fall weather and taking advantage of that to install some trees and shrubs here at our demonstration garden. So we followed our University of Florida recommendations about how to correctly install this plant, and now let's talk about some aftercare. So one thing, we remember the root ball, we never put any soil on top of that root ball, because the only thing going into that root ball over the next few weeks and months will be water. So you are going to water as that plant needs it directly into that root ball. Now, one thing that's really going to help conserve some of that moisture is the use of mulch. And you may see something like this recycled plastic tire mulch that has a fabric underneath at the store, and think, well, this is an advantage. I could put this around my plant and it will protect it when I weed eat and be a good insulator for that soil. But remember, if we need to put water right into that root ball, this is going to interfere greatly with that and make the plant struggle for water. So this is not a good thing to use on newly installed trees and shrubs. So what you can do instead is just get some good organic mulch, whatever's your favorite. This is just a recycled wood that the county leaves us, and we're going to put this around the plant. And remember, we're not covering that root ball, but we're going to spread about a 2-inch layer at least. That's going to be good weed control too, right up to the edge of this root ball, and that's going to help conserve moisture. So over the next few weeks, we're going to monitor this, apply water. We only need to apply about a gallon or so on this size shrub right in there, and then we'll come back and look, because our days are getting shorter, we're getting a little cooler, we may not need water every day. But it's going to take about 3 to 4 months for this plant to establish in the soil, and we really need to give it good care until then. So if you need more information about installing trees and shrubs, contact us here at the University of Florida Escambia County Extension.